Need to hide someone's identity or cover sensitive information in a video? One of the easiest ways to do that in CapCut Mobile is by adding a black censor bar. To get started, open your project and import the video you want to edit. Next, tap Overlay and select Add Overlay. Choose a block image from your gallery and place it on top of your video. Resize it into a narrow rectangle and position it over the area you want to hide. This could be someone's eyes, a license plate, a phone number, or any private information visible in the footage. If the person or object moves, you can add keyframes so the sensor bar follows the movement throughout the clip. Once everything is covered properly, preview the video to make sure nothing is visible. That's how to add a black sensor bar in CapCut Mobile. It's a simple but effective way to protect privacy and create professional looking edits.